start the club with the Pledge of Allegiance and the Star Spangled Banner. And part of that is the passion of my heart. We are restoring this B-17 to flying condition in honor of a great generation for America. And that is huge. There is so much behind what we can share from that generation. And that is what is exciting about my job. But when we start with the Star Spangled Banner and the Pledge of Allegiance, it's because it's our honor to do so. We have a right, we have a privilege, we need to do it. And that is why we do it every time. And I do student tours and student education. I've been working on that for about 15 years. And we have a curriculum that will last easy 2 hours to keep an 8-year-old interested. And what we do is we teach them a lot of the vocabulary. So why do we sing the Pledge of Allegiance? Why do we salute the flag? Why is it red, white, and blue? What do the words mean? And we talk about those things and we put it into real life. And that is another piece of why we always represent the flag and we keep patriotism alive. And that is really one of the things that drive me to do and to teach, because they're not getting it in school. So that leads me to school tours. If you have homeschoolers, because that seems to be the ones that come, are the homeschoolers and the charter schools. And we love giving student tours. It is a lot of fun. Paul, our 94-year-old bombardier, we had a group the other day of 3-year-olds, 23-year-olds. And when they called, I said, well, this isn't exactly a 3-year-old kind of place. And they're like, oh, this is a good experience. We just want them to get out in the community and learn how to be in the community. And when I came in, Paul had the undivided attention of all 20 of those 3-year-olds. And he was giving them a tour around this facility. It was really amazing. So we can do all ages. And he kept them interested for nearly an hour. And then they went home. And we have cartoons that show you how to fly a B-17. We have coloring sheets. In the summertime, we even do how to do an airplane and what makes an airplane fly, the history of aviation, real American heroes. We talk about the stories that we've collected. One of the favorite things that I've done in the past with the older groups, so like a 12-year-old, 12 to 15-year-olds, is we pretend like we are reporters. And we bring in a veteran. And we interview that veteran. And as a reporter then, they have to go back to their table and write a story. And it is amazing really what they come up with. I mean, they hear that differently than we do. And I loved how they put it together. So then they had to put it on a sheet and do bullet points. What did they hear? Why was that person's life significant? And how would you report it? And what would the headline be? And the headlines are very interesting. I wish I had some here to share with you today. So anyway, school tours, this is one of the things that we'd like to do more of. We right now are averaging about 4 a year. I'd like to do 12 a year. 1 a month would be great. And we have one coming up we're pretty excited about. So tell your friends, we would like to do more. We're doing a lot of club tours as well. If you have a car club or anything like that, this is a great opportunity to bring your car clubs here, and then all those people that didn't know about us will know about us, which is great because this is a long term. We're going to be here a long time. And we have a vision for the future to build a wonderful educational facility that houses a flying B-17 and is a memorial for World War II. So we're collecting the artifacts of World War II. People are donating personal family heirlooms and artifacts almost daily. We're gonna have our crew leaders share with you some of our recent donations. And we have a special thing to unveil today. And just a lot going on. There's so much positive. I really am so blessed by the positive and the growth of B-17 Alliance since it's moved to Salem. And I'm thankful for all of you to be here today too. Really, that's what makes it special, is the people.